Good morning students, welcome back our online classes science 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our the second chapter, that is components of foods. Students, in the previous classes already have discussed the different nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, okay, and vitamins. But today we are going to discuss the new nutrients, that is called as also minerals. Students, what is that minerals? Students, same as it like vitamins, mineral is very important for the body, for our body, but it needs very little amount of nutrients, but it is very essential for the body. So these minerals generally, what are that? Calciums and phosphorus, iodine, iron. So these are the minerals and it protects to our body from the difference, and it helps to protect to from the disease or from the, and it make also some strong of our bones, teeth, okay, and it manufacture that all help for the blood. So there are more different roles it plays. Okay, let us see what is that. Minerals, these are also protective foods. These minerals are also like vitamins, same like mineral also are the protective food. Some of important minerals are calcium, sodium, potassium, phosphorus, iron and iodine. These are the so many minerals are there, but out of that some important minerals generally calcium, phosphorus, potassium, iron and iodine. These are very important minerals for the body. So let us see what are the rich amounts of minerals. We will see that. First of all, we will discuss about that calcium. Students, observe that here where we should get that calcium. Generally, students, it will help for our to strong our bones, teeth, and these are the main minerals for this. And generally we will get that from fish, okay, from milk, from the vegetable that like green leaves, okay. So from that we will get that calciums. Okay students, these are very important. Next we will get for that what is that? Food high rich in iodine. Students, you have seen that due to the deficiency of iodine we will face that goiter. Here will some members you have seen here will like a wound like it will come, that is called as goiter due to the secret of deficiency of iodine. And there is one thyroxine, thyroid gland, here it is there. Our body here it contain our thyroid gland, and from the thyroid gland one there is one hormones secreting due to deficiency of iodine. There it secretes the hormones. What type of hormones? That is called as thyroxine. Thyroxine hormone secretes from the thyroid gland due to the deficiency of iodine. And this deficiency of iodine, we are facing that one problem or disease, that is called as goiter. And what you should get, from which food we will get this iodine? Generally seashore food and generally fish, and will get observe egg. See that iodized salt nowadays all India that given that manufacturing that salt with adding of iodine. So that is called as iodized salt. Everybody nowadays this goiter problems we have not seen, because in the previous before, that means 100 years ago, 50 years before that, almost all people they are facing this deficiency of iodine disease, that is goiter. Okay, so we will get that from the egg, boiled egg and iodized salt, banana and like dairy milk and tomatoes, the cranberries, cheese. So these are cranberries, not tomatoes. Okay, sorry. So cheese and tuna fish. From that also we will get that, or generally seashore fish also, seashore food also, whatever we will get, that is all are plenty of iodine means are present. Okay friends, this is the main food iodines are present. Next we will discuss about that. Okay students, so what is this students? Iron. What what is that essential? Students, for the body, iron is very essential. Students, ions helps to manufacture to create that blood. So observe students here that liver like animals liver or that like pulses, green leaves, and these are things for green leaves is very important for the create that ion. So due to the deficiency of iron or hemoglobin, we will suffer that what is that anemia. That anemia is one very severe disease, and for the child cases or the ladies cases. Okay students, so these are the things for the minerals. So everybody you should learn that very carefully and collect that what is the minerals and what are the deficiencies. You should write on your notebook. Okay students, thank you all of you.